Hi everyone. Are you suffering with the stiffness of arthritis? I see people who are as young as in their 40s who are suffering with stiffness from arthritis. Most of the time it's mild arthritis. We don't want to wait until the arthritis gets more severe. We want to address it when it's earliest. A recent study with mice found that senescent cells, which are zombie cells that haven't gone through their normal death, they're just floating around a certain part of the body and they get trapped there. And those cells, while they're just decaying, give off a component that damage the tissue around that area. So these decaying cells are destroying tissue. And that destruction is bringing in other immune cells, which really makes an autoimmune response. So arthritis is really about these senescent zombie cells, and these researchers found that when they took a senescent cell from a mouse that had arthritis and they put it into a healthy mice, into the knee of healthy mice, that knee within a few weeks showed signs of arthritis. So if you're having pains of arthritis, you need to address your lymphatic system to release cellular waste from your tissues, especially in your joints. This is something that I specialize in Scottsdale, Arizona, but I help people around the world learn how to activate their lymphatic system using diet, supplements, and their own two hands. But arthritis really is about cellular waste. It's no longer a mystery. And if you are, again, seeing a physician for arthritis, you're not going to hear that arthritis is about cellular waste. This is really new science. But once you understand that in the last few years, most disease from breast cancer, lung tumors, anxiety, insomnia, heart failure, MS, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's, Huntington's, ALS, and schizophrenia have all been linked to cellular waste. It's easy to see how arthritis can also be from cellular waste. So if you'd like to, again, possibly not get arthritis, or if you have arthritis and you'd like to address it, contact me at healthylymphsystem.com. That's healthylymphsystem.com. Please like my post, and if you know anyone else who is suffering with pain of arthritis, please tell them about their lymphatic system and how their arthritis may be due to the buildup of cellular waste. Have a great day.